So the first things we're gonna have to do, the first actually step we're gonna have to take right now is to go here to animate, okay, expand here and go to animate, and then here select opacity. Now we're gonna have to decrease the opacity all the way to 0, like so. And after we're doing this, of course, now the opacity of the text it's nothing, it's not there, our text, because we turn the opacity all the way to 0, duh. And now what you're gonna have to do here is to expand. So let's expand here and add a keyframe. In a range selector, we have start and an offset, and we're gonna add a keyframe for start. So let's click there, and then what we're gonna have to do is to click on advanced here, and then here we have randomized or something like that, and we click on here. I don't know what I'm doing that, and then we're gonna have to add a click on here to add a keyframe for random seed, and then we're just gonna move a couple of keyframes ahead, and then we're gonna increase the random seed. It's really up to you how much you want to add here, and then we're gonna increase the start here to 100%, and this is what we have now. Look at this. Basically here we have the randomize here, and we had a keyframe for start, and this is what we get. And as you can see, we have some fade kind of here, and you see this fade here. So if that's something you don't want, you can basically just click on here on smoothness and just decrease the smoothness. And I don't have any smoothness, as you can see. And if it's too fast or too slow, let's actually play. That's okay actually. And now on MacBook, if you hold Fn and F9, you can add ease in and ease out. You can also do it manually by right clicking here and selecting ease in and ease out, or you can use the shortcuts. You can also use shift apparently, but it actually works with Fn. Yeah. And from here, now you can play with these graphs, maybe select this one and do this. It's really up to you here. You can just play around and see what you like. And then if you want to make this look better, I like to add a glow. So I'm just gonna grab this glow here, and then I'll just just increase the radius. And then another thing that you can do is actually let's duplicate, Command D or Control D, and then what you can do here, press U, and then you're gonna see your keyframes here, and move the playhead right over here where we have our keyframe, this one, and just decrease this. And then here, what we can do is to go here to, actually not glow, let's look for something else. 1 second, I'm sorry. Let's go to gradient, or not gradient, sorry. Let's go to character, and then here, let's click on this right over there and select the different. And now we have just an outline, as you can see here. And you can get this, I guess, interesting effect if you can, consider that interesting. And that's what we kind of have here. Maybe if you want, you can change the color. Maybe you can add a different color here if you want. Maybe red, maybe blue. And then also here you can go and increase or decrease the line here. And also you can change the font, maybe thin here, but I don't know, it's not that great, I guess. Maybe if you want, you can add a bit of, let's say this starts earlier, like you can have this playing. I don't know, you can try, maybe put this underneath the first one, maybe. Yeah, it's really up to you anyways, or you can use the same color, why not? So yeah, I hope you found this helpful.